Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. We just built this beautiful 383 Chevrolet 450 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1976 Pontiac Trans Am. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Started with a late model 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal, brand new timing cover, new balancer, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft with the AFR aluminum cylinder heads on there. It's real nice Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire vertical looms on there. You have the correct oil pan, the 76 Trans Am. Brass freeze plugs, engine block painted the black. It's real nice 383 stroker valve covers. The air cleaner on there, aluminum intake manifold, thermostat housings on there, thermostats installed, 2 extra coolant ports if needed for any sensors, quick fuel carburetor on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket, HEI distributor set in place, ready to go, proper automatic flex plate for the customer's transmission, proper tooth count and balance for 383 Chevy, high torque mini starter installed, chrome dipstick and tube, PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell line on there, manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy hookup, chrome fuel line, all the fuel lines hooked up, the inline gas filter, high flow fuel pump. It's real nice wraptor pulley kit, 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner on there, high flow aluminum water pump, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there. We supply the power steering lines on there and the remote reservoir for the 76 Trans Am. So this is the way you get it. Again, every engine is live run for over 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in the stand, all the readings, manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot, carburetor will be fully adjusted and set, timing set, ready to go. So again, our 383 450 horsepower turnkey package engine. Thanks for watching.